Good afternoon. It's a little bit gray out there now, looking at some clouds overhead, but there are some breaks. We are seeing some other areas of sunshine. It's going to be a little bit of both here as we head into the afternoon hours, and some of these clouds producing some flurries too that you may notice as you're driving along. Here's a look at our temperatures right now. Again, it is cold out there. We are at 12 degrees in Fargo, 9 in Grand Forks, 7 in Langdon and Devil's Lake. Those are some of our coldest numbers on the map. And as we look a little farther south, that's where it's slightly milder, we'll say. 14 degrees in Wahpeton and in Jamestown. Our wind is coming in right out of the northwest. We talked about how that's a cold, reinforcing shot of air there. And so we're just going to stay cold all day long, and it's going to make it feel like it's chilly for us too. A gust to 20 miles per hour currently in Fergus Falls. So wind chills are below zero, and they'll probably be in that range as we continue through the afternoon hours tonight with that wind staying strong. So we're looking at 4 below in Fargo, 7 below in Grand Forks. This morning we got down to 20 below in a couple of spots, and Langdon was one of them, and that's our lowest wind chill on the map now at 11 below. So bottom line, a frigid day. Visibility down a bit where we're getting a few of those flurries, especially over in the Baudette area. We're at 2.5 miles there. And here's the latest look at our satellite and radar. Now, we don't have a lot to show you as far as radar is concerned, and this is our visible satellite picture. So where you see stationary areas of white and gray, that's where we have some snow on the ground, and where you see the movement, that's where the cloud cover is. So we've got some of that right here in Fargo-Moorhead, though there are some clearer skies out to the west and some pockets up to the north of clearing too. So we'll see more of that too as this just kind of continues to work its way southward this morning or this afternoon. And you can see most of us showing dry conditions here in the tri-state area. If you still need to hit the road after your holiday, it's looking pretty quiet relative to what's been going on with that big storm system in Chicago. Starting to quiet down there, still getting some snow back in Indiana and into Michigan, but this is all moving northeast. So now New England, upstate New York too, included in some winter weather headlines there as this system makes its way northeastward, and that will likely impact travel there. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. Some clouds mixed in with some sunshine, more sunshine likely the farther west you are today. Temperatures are going to be cold all day long, some teens for highs. And as we head into the evening hours, once that sun goes down, we're looking at our temperatures sliding back down to near zero. Some of us below zero overnight, and some of those same locations that dropped down quite a bit this morning. So looking a lot like this morning's forecast or temperatures will be our forecast for tomorrow. 2 below in Langdon, 6 in Fargo, and about 4 degrees around 5 a.m. in the Grand Forks area. And we may even drop a little bit from there as cooling tends to happen all the way through sunrise. Now heading into the rest of the day, more of the same, perhaps more sunshine for us too during the morning hours. And as we head into the afternoon, slightly warmer, we start to see some hints at some wind change. And as we head into the evening hours tomorrow night, that'll be our first sign that there's some changes on the way. So we're going to start to warm things up as our next system approaches into tomorrow night and into the day on Wednesday. There'll likely be some light snow and maybe even a little freezing rain initially with this system, and a bit of a breeze too. But as we get into the end of the week, those 30s are going to feel great both Thursday and into Friday. And this weekend, a little chance for some snow, but temperatures shouldn't be too bad. So all in all, if we can get through the next couple of days, we've got some temperatures coming up that'll be a lot better.
I heard some great things. 1, we're going to have good conditions for local travelers. 2, this is the coldest day of the week.
That's true.
3, sunshine is part of our forecast, right?
I love your optimism.
I love all of these things, so thank you.
You bet.
All right. Well, one thing never changes at a Minnesota church. Straight ahead at noon, hear from the man who has been ushering for nearly 80 years.